Well, I'm absolutely ecstatic that you are asking us about our inner circle. I really love our inner circle. We meet every single Wednesday night, and we actually used to do it at 8 o'clock, and now we changed the time due to the change of the time zone. So now we do like 7 o'clock at night for everybody to be there. And what we do with our inner circle is we absolutely do group coaching. So, like, we teach something about marketing online, right? A little bit more detailed than this, than what we do with Ace and Rich Live for the public, where we answer people's questions and anybody from anywhere can ask questions. But when it comes to an inner circle mastermind academy, it's more fun. It's definitely robust. We do a lot of training in there about internet marketing, affiliate marketing, and we share all of our experience as super affiliates of what we've been able to do in our existing business. So, like, you get to see our back office, you get to see our actual marketing campaigns, you get to look at every single thing that we're doing. We don't hide nothing, right? That's why it's called the inner circle. So that way you get access to Ace and Rich's inner circle trainings, and actually we help you and coach you with your existing progress. So if you're in the middle of a campaign, if you're doing things, you're trying to create funnels and capture pages, bridge pages, and you're having technical difficulty, the inner circle is the best place to go. And it's a great membership program you can be a part of. I'll send you some information on that. Not a problem. I'm actually revamping and updating the website for Inner Circle, because we're going to be giving out some awesome bonuses for an annual membership subscription option. So you may want to hang around tight. I'm going to send you some info about that. So thank you for asking. Definitely do that. Any Inner Circle members here, you guys? Who's here on the live that's from the Inner Circle? Let me know. Let's see. Yeah, we do have somebody from Inner Circle. There we go. I'm in the Inner Circle. It's awesome. All right. Albie. Yes, Albie joined. Actually, when did you join? Like last month? I think it was last month, right? Or 2 months ago. I don't know. Time's flying by so fast, isn't it, Albie? But you're learning so much, aren't you? Aren't you loving those Inner Circles? Yes, you are. Oh, look at this. Our first month in Inner Circle, and we love it. Packed full of amazing info, whether new to online marketing or old. Awesome. Thank you, Inner Circle member. Awesome, you guys. Okay. Yes, send me info also on the Inner Circle. Absolutely. Richard Osborne, too, says, I need to join the Inner Circle. Yes, absolutely. I will send you guys information.